Fat boy. He thinks we're hollering at him. He ain't gonna do it. So we hollered and he thinks we're getting on time. Come on in, Bob. Fat boy, come on. I shouldn't have said nothing to him. He ain't gonna do it.
We'll give him a minute. What? Come on, Bubby. Come on. Do it. Come on, get up here and do it. Open this window. Come on, Tank, get up here and open this. Come on. Come on. Come in. Do it. Come on. Come on, Tank.
Open it up. Come on.
Come on, Bubby. Come on. Come on, Bubby. Come on, honey. You can do it. Come on. Come in.
Open that window.
Come on, Bub.
Push it up. Push it up.
Do it, Tank. Show them how smart you are. Do it. Come on. Come on, Bubby. Come on, baby. No, come in here, Tank. Hey. Come up here. Tank, in here. Come on, son. Get up here. Come on, in here. You get up here and do it. Come on. Dork. Come on, open it. Come on. You know how. You know how to. Do it. Do it. There. Do it. There you go. There you go. Mama's boy knows, don't you? Yeah.
Good boy.
Yes, you do. Tell me that dog ain't smart.
Quit. He gonna fuck y'all up. Quit.
Leave him alone. Uh oh. Good boy. Come here, Mommy. Tank, come here.
Get whipped, son.
Tank, come here. Come here. You're smart as shit. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. All right, get off Mommy's leg. Come on. All right, you're killing me. Lace, get down. Shit, now. Oh, Jill, stop it. Jill, she'll whoop you.
Here. You got another.
Good boy. Oh, shut up, Jill. All right, Tank. Quit licking Mommy. Him smart. Him smarter than Mom gave him credit for. All right, come on. Come on now. All right, get down. Come on. Come on. Aww. Oh, Mom's boy. Mom boy.
Here.
What's the matter, do you not feel good, bub? You guys don't want anything to do with Mom until Tank comes up here. Now get down. Come on, guys. Oh, come on.